Knucklehead. A silly or stupid person. Example: Tom forgot his keys again. What a knucklehead. Lame brain. A person who makes dumb decisions. Example: lame brain decision to drive through a red light. Lowlife. A person with poor moral values. Example: that lowlife stole my wallet. Moocher. Someone who lives off others without giving back. Example: he's such a moocher, always eating other people's food. Nerd. A person who is overly intellectual and socially awkward. Example: that guy is such a nerd, always reading comic books. Nitwit. A foolish person. Example: don't be a nitwit, use the right tool. Nutter. A crazy or eccentric person. Example: that guy running around in the rain is a total nutter. Pompous. Arrogantly self-important. Example: he's so pompous, always talking about his achievements. Quarrelsome. Prone to arguing. Example: stop being so quarrelsome. Let's just talk it out. Killjoy. Someone who spoils the fun. Example: don't be a killjoy, just come to the party. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.